Okay, I am backing up my Apple iPhone. This is a device right here I bought off Amazon. It is basically the Lightning to Ethernet OTG digital adapter. So basically I have this plugged in, and I have an Ethernet cable that is plugged in to my Comcast router. So okay, and then I've got another cord that's plugged in also to the USB to power it up. So basically, if I can get to the right screen, look, it's backing up. So this is the way I'm getting around my router because I have a really piece of junk router, Linksys. So basically this thing shuts down like constantly. I always have to reset it, unplug it, constantly messing with it. It's constantly giving me problems. So that's the deal. So I bypassed that, and I haven't got a new I'm gonna get a different brand. I'm not sure what I'm getting yet, but this is junk. I had problems with it constantly. Had it for about 2 years and due for an upgrade, but I haven't got one yet. So I'm using this adapter to back up my iPhone because it was about a week or two, and I wasn't able to do anything. So it does work as long as your settings are all right. And you have a couple different ways to do this. Got your I'm just using the RJ45 Ethernet jack, and I'm just using basically the Apple charger. That's it. So if you guys need a cheap way, it's like 30 bucks on Amazon to bypass your wireless system to back up your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching.